somebody's knocking on the door.
Good.
I don't know. Somebody's knocking on our door. Be careful. I'll keep the live stream running in case somebody's trying to break in or something. Who is it? Do you
I don't
know?
know.
Well, be careful. I don't like people knocking on the door like that. See what it is. See what happens. Who is it?
Hello, are you Mr. Scott?
Yeah. Remember talking?
Yeah, I'm Constable Howard's important to me.
Right.
So we got a complaint that the music was
That's the police.
I couldn't hear it until I got here. So, me myself, I don't think it's loud, but I just wanted to let you know.
Oh my God, they're complaining about it's too loud. It's like 8:25 at night. It's 8 o'clock at night, 8:30 at night. And somebody's complaining that the music's too loud. Are you serious? Hi, Edmonton.
Well,
Ow.
well, he told me, he said, between me and you, he said, it's not very loud.
No, I know it's not loud, but they got to, for every call they get, they gotta apply to it or reply to it, right?
That's what happens, boy. You have an idiotic
Oh my.
There's an asshole in the neighborhood down at 59. Every time he hears the music, he complains all the time. You can't turn on the radio or listen to your TV. He goes off the deep end and calls the authorities. What's an asshole? Always an asshole, that's what Mama said to me. He's so happy being an asshole, that's all he'll ever be.
Oh, and all you're just another brick in the wall. Hey. Shoo. Wild and crazy guys. We got the wild and crazy guys. That's the name of our theme tonight. Our theme tonight is the wild and crazy guys. Rolling on the river. Hey, come on. Think long I think of things, but nothing seems to settle. Think I'll lose my mind if I don't find something to pacify. Put me in the coach, I'm ready to play today. Look at me, I can be set. So wait for some people to come in. Last week, I didn't see all your comments. I don't know what happened, but I will keep an eye out for all your comments. This time, I will check it many times. Well, come along with me to the land of make-believe. She said, "Wah-la-la-la-la-la, rock and roll is king." Hey you, baby. Yeah.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Hey, you. Could you serve me?
Hey you.
Anyway.
Well, it's better than, something else.
Yeah.
I'd like to know why you still can. Don't even try to understand. Just find a place to make your stand and take it easy. Need a lot of plates in that verse. Pumped a lot of pain. I wanna know, have you ever seen the Give me 3 steps, give me 3 steps, mister. Give me 3 steps towards that door. Give me 3. Whoa, whoa. Here you go again, you say, baby, all night long. All she ever tells me when I call her on the telephone. Feel that jolt to me. She don't lie, she don't lie, she don't lie. Cocaine. while we're waiting for more people to come in, and we will get all warmed up for you so that my voice can sing. Hey, Michelle Travers, hello. Well, I've been doing it since I was a young kid, and I'm gonna bring them. Oh, I found authority always wins, yeah. Last night a little dancer came dancing to my door. Last night a little angel, she came pumping on my floor. I see the bad moon rising. I see that trouble.
My video's on.
Bust a flat in that bridge, headed for the train. All right. Can't wait for more people to come in. The more people, the merrier. Let's give this a try, Bernie, when you're ready.
Okay.
Ready?
Bristle. Closer, Bristle.
It will rain a sunny day, but I know shining down like water. See, everybody, we're celebrating a birthday tonight for Ethan, and everybody can say happy birthday to Ethan. He's 22 years old today. And we're going to do his request, and we're going to have a bit of fun here tonight, I tell ya. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, anywhere you feel. Hey, 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 mama, rock me. Rock me, mama. The Monster Mash. A bit of a classic rock for you tonight to get the energy going, since we got energy left over from last night. Hi, Margaret Toblin. Hello. Nice to see you. Have me down. Not like last time. It happens sometimes, right? But we had a good time. I had a good time.
Some days are diamonds and some days are right. You know?
Yeah,
right, so.
Hit me.
Hit me, yeah.
Anyway, we'll see you Thursday. Bye.